Hey, it's Sally with Sally Solutions. Next up from the Wellness Company is the Harvest Pure Fruit and Vegetable Wash. This I have not opened yet, but once my husband starts using some produce for our cooking, he likes to do that when we're grilling, we do corn and I don't know. It's good on leafy greens, vegetables, berries, fruit, and other fresh produce. So you take a capful. There's your cap. Okay. So it's very concentrated. Put that in a bowl. Add a quart of water to the bowl, and then you would add your vegetables or your fruit. Allow it to soak for 30 to 60 seconds. Strain and rinse thoroughly. So there's approximately 30 uses per bottle. It can be an eye irritant, but that common sense kind of tells you don't mix stuff with your eyes. But this is a great way to remove harmful pesticides. What else did it have on here? Dirt. Obviously, there can be dirt on your produce. Where did I read that? I just read something about that. Oh, dirt, pesticides, and more. So, okay. That is your Harvest Pure Fruit and Vegetable Cleaner.